Welcome to AI Millionaire Movement. If you're looking to make money online but don't want to be on camera or spend years learning a new skill, copywriting with AI might be your secret weapon. Gone are the days where you needed a decade of writing experience to land high-paying writing gigs. With the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.AI, practically anyone can get started in the world of copywriting and start earning from home even if you've never written professionally before. So, what exactly is copywriting? In simple terms, it's writing that's designed to sell, persuade, or inspire action. It could be a product description on Amazon, a landing page for a business, or even an email campaign for an online store. Companies pay big money for this kind of writing because the right words can directly impact their bottom line. And now, with AI tools available to help generate high-quality copy fast, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content and help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. Let's start with how AI fits into all of this. Tools like ChatGPT can draft product descriptions, sales emails, blog posts, and even video scripts in seconds. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing from scratch, you can now prompt an AI tool with a few details and boom, you've got a strong first draft to work with. But here's the key: AI is your assistant, not your replacement. The best way to make money as a copywriter using AI is to learn how to edit, refine, and personalize the content it gives you. That's where the human touch comes in and where your value really shines. Now, how do you actually make money with this? There are a few different paths you can take. One of the fastest is freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com are full of business owners looking for copywriters right now. And the cool part? You don't have to advertise yourself as a traditional copywriter. You can brand yourself as an AI-assisted copywriter who delivers results faster and more affordably than others. That's a real selling point. Clients love fast turnaround times, and if you can write high-converting copy in a fraction of the time thanks to AI, you have an edge. Start by setting up a solid profile on one or two freelancing platforms. Highlight that you use advanced AI tools to create optimized, compelling content faster and more affordably than most. Include some sample work that could be simple mock-ups of ads, product descriptions, or sales emails that you've created using AI and edited to perfection. Even if you don't have real clients yet, create fake samples for pretend businesses. The goal is to show your potential and get your first few gigs. Once you land your first job, your goal is to overdeliver. Use AI to generate the first draft quickly, then spend your time editing, tweaking, and polishing it until it really sounds natural and persuasive. Think of AI as the rough sculptor, you're the artist adding the finishing touches that bring it to life. The better your work, the more likely you'll get 5-star reviews, referrals, and higher-paying offers over time. Another way to make money with copywriting and AI is by offering content services to small businesses. Most small business owners don't have time to write their own website copy, emails, blog posts, or product descriptions. You can offer to handle all of that for them, and since you're using AI, you can produce the content much faster, allowing you to take on more clients. You can charge monthly retainers for regular content creation, or offer one-time packages for specific projects. You don't even have to wait for clients to come to you. Use ChatGPT to generate outreach emails or cold DMs that you can send to small businesses in your niche. For example, you could say something like, "Hi, name, I noticed your website could use more engaging product descriptions. I specialize in AI-assisted copywriting to help businesses like yours boost conversions. Would you be open to a quick call to discuss?" Personalized, non-spammy messages like that can actually get great responses, especially if your portfolio is sharp. Now, if you're more entrepreneurial and want to build something that earns money passively, you can use AI-powered copywriting to create digital products. This could include writing ebooks, lead magnets, email templates, ad copy bundles, or even pre-written blog content that you sell to busy entrepreneurs. For example, you could use ChatGPT to help you write a 30-day email marketing sequence for online coaches, and sell that as a digital download on Gumroad or Etsy. You create the product once and sell it over and over again. One underrated method is offering AI copywriting as a service to marketing agencies. A lot of agencies are overwhelmed with client work and are always looking for reliable subcontractors. You can reach out to agencies and offer to handle their copy needs using AI tools fast, cost-effective, and consistent. You become their behind-the-scenes writing partner, and they often have repeat work. So let's talk income. How much can you realistically make? Beginners on freelancing platforms might start at $20 to $40 per hour or per project, but with a few testimonials and solid samples, you can easily bump that up to $75 or even $100 plus per hour. If you're working with agencies or recurring clients, you can set up monthly retainers. $500 to $2,000 per month isn't uncommon if you're handling multiple pieces of content. And if you scale by using AI effectively, you can handle more clients without burning out. But the most important thing to remember is this: AI is only as good as the person using it. The people who succeed at AI copywriting are the ones who understand marketing psychology, storytelling, and tone. So if you're serious about making money this way, take time to study winning ad copy, email sequences, and sales pages. Learn what works and why. Then use AI as your assistant to help speed up the creation process. You'll write faster, smarter, and better. Making money with AI-powered copywriting is not only possible, it's one of the most practical and scalable ways to start earning online today. Whether you're freelancing, offering services to businesses, or selling digital content, the key is to combine the speed and efficiency of AI with your own creativity and marketing instincts. That's where the real magic happens. And if you stick with it, learn, and improve, you could be making thousands of dollars a month all from your laptop, all using tools that are available to you right now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear idea of how you can start making money copywriting with AI. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you've got any questions or want me to cover something specific, drop a comment below. I read every single one. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.